D.Chanelquann show.
What's on YouTube? Welcome back to the D.Chanelquann show.
Yeah. What are you talking about? Okay. Anyways, so this is what we like to call Surprise Sunday. Get happy. What is wrong with you? You see our orange aprons? Y'all like it?
New aprons, new aprons, new aprons, new aprons. Hey, hey, new aprons in the kitchen. Everybody gotta sit down and listen. Okay, look, we finna make some chicken. Make some chillins. I'm lying.
Yeah, you lying.
Make some fruits.
Yeah.
Whoopity doo.
I like that. Good. So. You want to explain what Sunday is?
I'll let you do it.
Okay, so pretty much Surprise Sunday is we just gonna drop any and everything, whatever. So it can be a smoothie, it can be an alkaline meal, it can be a kid's healthy meal, anything like that. Or it can be nothing. You just never know. That's the beauty of a surprise.
Sunday.
Sunday!
So let's get to it. What's the first thing that we gonna do?
So we are going to be making a smoothie today, and this is called Mango Madness.
Y'all.
So you're gonna need your mangoes, your peaches, your strawberries, and your bananas, and of course water. Pretty much, you're just gonna add everything to the blender, blend it up. That's it. Quick and easy, huh?
Well, let's get to it.
Yes.
Ain't nothing to
Should I add
it.
more water first?
Hey, but to do it.
So first, you're gonna start with just a little bit of water. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Add in your little peaches.
Got your peaches right there, man.
Ooh.
Let's add some red in it. You know, I like red.
Yeah.
What's this?
Strawberries.
Strawberries? What kind?
Regular. Chopped. Ooh. Yep. You got it. And broke the plate. You're so aggressive. And then you got your little mangoes.
Smells good too.
I love mangoes. Don't y'all love mangoes? Comment below if you like mangoes.
No, comment below their favorite fruit.
That too. Bananas.
Why you get to put in 3 and I? No.
We didn't just say that. Yeah, missing one. Don't break.
It's still stuck on there, man. We gonna go ahead and stick that up. Let's ride.
Okay, pour in the rest of the water.
Alright.
Leave it to you to mess up something so easy.
We're gonna blend too.
You wanna? You
Huh?
sure you wanna bleed?
What happened?
You know what happened last time?
What?
You met your maker.
Who?
Woo! They gonna
Is
see
that
it
it?
on the blueprint.
There it is.
All right, and just blend.
It look good.
Ooh, that is pretty.
That look good.
That is so pretty.
It look like you.
Pretty. It look like kind of like our apron.
That's what I said, it look like you.
I look good in orange. You look good in orange.
Come on, man.
It's a 2-second video. We can do a little some shit. Alright.
Smell like any other smoothie.
Back to this chicken. Jim just add some chicken to this bit. You want to do the honors and pour?
Go ahead and do your thing with that bit. You know what I'm saying?
guys, so this is the finished results.
Look at that pressure.
That is so beautiful.
Look at that pressure.
It reminds me of summer.
Look at that pressure. Well, mango madness, right? This will be good for March Madness. Know what I'm saying? Springtime. Yeah, March Madness thing right here. My bad, one way. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and jump down that comment section. Yeah. Oh, you already said it. Hold up one sec. One thing we forgot to add is you can also add carrots into the smoothie as well. That's addition. So it's optional. You can if you want to. I mean, not. Depending on if you want more of a fruity taste, if you want more of an extra benefit of the carrot.
Whatever it is.
And we out. Peace.
Come on. I'm looking at the camera now. Let's go.
You focus in on the camera too. And one thing. Ready?
You said smile.
Ready? Hey guys. Ready?
I bet you want to keep fucking.
Hey guys, the one thing that we forgot to add as well. Hey guys, the one thing we forgot to add is. Come on, man.
Go ahead.
How's it going, guys? And when... Let me do my job, man.
You need to make up your mind what you gonna do. You sound like a white boy. How you doing, guys? You don't even talk like that.
Hold up.
You making this little part a 10-minute video. Come on.